Set up your SpinAir charger with complete confidence. Here's what you get in the box. It's a smooth 3-step process: survey, electrical infra setup, installation, and first charge. Every SpinAir installation begins with a quick but complete survey. Our engineer checks your electrical setup. Whether it's a single-phase connection supporting up to 7.5 kilowatt or a 3-phase connection for 11 to 22 kilowatt, we review your sanctioned load, available freeload, to make sure your system is ready for safe and seamless charging. We check the cabling path from your main panel to the meter. Based on this, we suggest any upgrades needed for a smooth charging experience. If any load upgrade or extra cabling is needed, we'll let you know right away. We also check the wiring path and earthing setup. We even inspect the earthing, and if a dedicated earth is required, we'll recommend it. Finally, we identify the safest and most convenient wall location and cable route for your charger. Once the survey is complete, we move on to Step 2, electrical infra setup. This stage is crucial because it sets up the electrical foundation for your charger. Depending on your charger rating, our engineer connects the MCCB box to the main meter, installs it inside a weather-protected IP65 box, and lays high-quality cables using proper conduits and lugs. We also verify earthing to ensure complete safety for your charger and your vehicle. Now for the final step, installation and first charge. Your SpinAir is securely mounted, powered on, and ready to charge. We connect it to Exicom's backend through the OCPP protocol, help you set up the Spin app via Wi-Fi, SIM, or Bluetooth, and demonstrate live charging, both through the app and with the RFID card. And just like that, your SpinAir is good to go. Depending on your package, you may need to arrange a few essentials like MCCBs, cables, or lugs. To select your package, visit our website and choose the installation package that best suits your needs. Now that you know the 3-step SpinAir setup process, here are a few quick tips for smooth performance. Proper earthing protects against shocks, keeps your warranty valid, and supports faster charging. Load enhancement from your Discom may be needed to prevent tripping or penalties from the electricity board. And for an even smarter, sustainable option, you can pair your SpinAir with solar power for green charging. And that's it. You're all set to go for a spin in your EV. Enjoy a hassle-free setup and seamless charging experience with complete peace of mind. Don't forget to download the Spin mobile app. It's your all-in-one companion to activate your warranty, monitor, and control your charger anytime, anywhere.